everyone. I just wanted to show you a quick smoky eye. My face is already done. I will put those products down below just so you know what I used. I'm going to use the Stila Liquid Shimmer. I love this. It's Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And I'm actually just going to put this directly right on my eye. I don't have anything on my lids. This kind of works as a base because of its creamy texture. So I'm just going to use my fingers to buff this out. Oh, look at all that shimmer. Love, love, love. It's so beautiful. Honestly, one eyeshadow can really just do the trick here. But we will add more. If you hear my dog in the background, I apologize. That's Boyer. Boyer the Frenchie. Alright, so I'm just going in with my finger here. Blending all of that. I'm just going to add a little bit more on this side. You could use a brush too for this. But I like the doe foot applicator that it has. That really helps to apply everything. What I mean by doe foot is this. Okay, so that's done. Then I'm just going to, my eyes are so small that I just want to give it a little bit more of a, open eye effect. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. palette. Browns, again, my favorite. And I'm going to go in with this deep color right here. They don't have names on this palette. And I'm just going to go a little bit above my crease again because I have smaller set eyes and my crease is kind of deep set. So if you have one of those deep set creases, go above your crease to give yourself some eye shape. If you go into that crease right here, it's going to make your eyes look even more set back and smaller. So I like to go, to make my eye look bigger, I go above that crease just a little. In there and go back in. So just above it. So now it makes my eye appear bigger. Don't be afraid to use this space above your eyebrow or in between your crease and your brow. I know a lot of people get nervous, but it really helps if you have smaller set eyes. It really helps to make them look bigger. And then I'm going to go in with this darkest color here. And then I'm going to use a more compressed, brush that will pick up more of this product. And just do a little bit here on the corners. Really quick. It's all about your brushes. I also want to talk about brushes. Brushes cleanliness is a huge, huge deal. The cleaner your brushes, the easier they will be to work with. And I use the MAC brush cleanser. Usually when I'm doing makeup jobs, that's the easiest because I can wash them in between clients and right away they're dry and ready to go. But if you want to really do a deep clean of your brushes, I suggest a little bit of Dawn soap and then rinse them and lay them to dry overnight. So just blending this a little bit, there we go. And then what I like to do for a smoky effect, I'm going to use the Eyeko, I love these, Black Magic pencil, or liquid. Go right on the lash line here, it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to smudge this with a brush. So go all the way. Before that dries, grab a flat brush and then just smudge it up. Smudge it up. Smudge, smudge, smudge. See? So see how it kind of gives that like smoky look without having to go crazy with your shadow. So then repeat on this side. Guys, I am so blind, so one of my eyes is like so much worse than the other one, so it's hard for me to see in these mirrors sometimes. Smudging it up so then it gives it that sultry look. And then because I have smaller eyes, I don't usually do a lot on the bottom, but for this look, I'm just gonna go back in with that dark shadow color that we used in the crease and do a little here on the bottoms of my lashes. A little bit here. And then we can go in with a setting powder. I have the Mercier powder here. And I can actually set that underneath. You could use any of your brushes. I'm gonna go in with a clean eyeshadow brush and just kind of pat that under there so that that shadow will stay and not fall down your eyes. And then you can just kind of, with your ring finger as the gentlest finger, go under there. Perfect. And then I love my Definicils mascara by Lancome, but I decided to switch it up to the Bad Gal Bang for you guys. Go in, start at the base of your lashes here to get the fullest effect. And obviously we could do some fake lashes. Next video we'll do some fake lashes. But for this one, I'm just gonna go and brush this through. Give it a nice romantic effect here. Starting at the base of my lashes. Tops, a little on the bottom. I don't know why, but when I do my mascara, I open my mouth. Does anyone else do that? Okay. So simple nighttime look. Here we go. Hope you love it. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, I'll have all the information below. Thanks guys for listening. See you soon. Bye.